project fair shows, I think, about 50, 60 final year projects from our last year students, and they have done fantastic work on robotics, on visualization, on testing. They worked with industry, they worked on foundational questions of the science, and they really did an extremely good job.
I think the project fair is an excellent idea, and it does give this chance for myself to bring secondary school students up here, ones who've expressed their interest in computer science but don't really know the full extent to what it's about. It allows them to come in, speak to students who are currently here and have a look at the subject in greater depth.
The pupils taking part in the TechnoCamps project are being given a tremendous opportunity to learn more about computing. If they choose to take a degree in computer science, then perhaps the work they're seeing here at this fair today is going to help boost their awareness even more of what could be the final outcome of such a degree.
The pupils can start to understand what computer science really is about, the differences between computing, ICT and computer science. And I think this is a way to start changing the attitude of what computer science is to the general public.
I think the project fair is a good way of making me understand things about computer science, because the projects are always a varied range, such as the Lego Mindstorms and the reader for attendance, and it shows what things could be brought out in the future.
I found some of the projects really interesting. There's a really wide variety, but especially I found interesting the ones considering Lego models, like trucks and how parking would work, and modelling that kind of thing using Lego through computer science and kind of physics-based software. I found that really interesting.
My project, the Lego Mindstorms and Fuzzy Logic, is the implementation of a truck backer-upper problem on the Lego Mindstorm platform. This is the problem of backing up a truck to a loading bay from any position or angle. The Lego Mindstorm platform is a cost-effective robotics kit which can be used to test the theory of more complex robotics without having to buy the parts.
My project is it's a chess engine, so basically it's an engine that plays chess against human players. It uses the min-max algorithm, and I've been working on it for the past 1.5 years.
At our fair you can see topics from all over computer science. If it's on the interaction with computers, if it's on computer graphics, if it's on visualization, or if it's with industry, if it's on foundational things. Critical systems, we have someone doing a project on the London Underground, how to make it safe so that no accidents can happen there. All these things are shown in this fair.
I think the London Underground is a good way of explaining the information to you in a logical way that everyone will understand.
The project fair does give a lot of insight to young people about what they can do at university, because especially in this project fair, we have about 60 projects on display, and each one's very different from each other.
My project is about generating data to test a credit card fraud detection system. We work with a company, Grid Tools, to try and generate realistic data that could help test another company's systems to make sure that they're doing everything as they should do. I'm very happy with the result of the project. We've discussed the outcome with the company. They're very happy with the data that we're now able to generate, and hopefully we're going to be able to continue working with the tool and bring it into industry.
When I was in high school, I had like a project fair, and that's how I sort of got interested in computer science, from the start. So I think it's a really good thing that we have this for school children. I think we really need more girls in computer science, and even further, like in UK there are about 5 or 6 professors, computer science professors. So it's really important that we get more girls involved.
Demonstrating my project at the project fair to students will hopefully inspire them to take up computer science at a university to become the next generation of computer scientists.
Considering what I've seen today, and it was just a small taster of what I'm going to experience with TechnoCamps, I think it's a good way to encourage pupils to take computing further in their lives, in careers, and at uni and everything.
I've been to maybe 3 or 4 of these fairs now where I've seen what the students' work are doing. It's getting better every year, and industry is getting more and more involved. and it's just a good experience for both students and industry and pupils alike.
The more opportunities we can provide lower down the school for pupils to get involved with computer science, the better. I think it's an excellent opportunity to bridge the gap that exists between secondary school and university, and to give them a wider knowledge of the subject as a whole. I think we definitely will encourage pupils lower down the school to look into computer science and a career in computing.
Technocamps really offers a great opportunity for school children to find out about computer science. Computer science is everywhere in our lives these days. There is nothing that works without a computer, and so we really need many people who know loads on computers, and Technocamps helps to get children enthusiastic about this field.